Kelly, I know he's not Buck, but you really should give him a chance.
Yeah, look, we got him on approval, so if you don't want him after a week, he goes back.
Kelly pretty. Kelly pretty.
Well, he is awfully cute. And smart.
He's a cute little guy. How much?
$1,000. Well, I'll give him a try. I just hope it's okay with Buck.
I'm gonna be an eagle. I'm gonna be an eagle.
If the judge decides that you've been good.
Oh, he will. Everybody loves me.
All rise for the Honorable Judge Felix B. Cat.
Well, I just hope I get a defense lawyer who can stand up to a cat.
Buck Bundy? Ira Moskowitz, I'm your court-appointed attorney.
Houston, we have a problem.
I hope Tweety likes the new gifts we got him.
Yeah, it'll be just like Christmas. Yeah, except Dad's sober and somebody's getting presents.
Well, I guess it's true what they say. Nothing brings a family together like a new pet. Al, you busted Tweety's bird food.
No problem. I was on my way back to town to have a hernia operation anyway. Can I get anybody else 100 pounds anything?
Jujubes!
I'm gonna give Tweety his kettlebell.
Where'd he go?
Somebody left the cage open. He must have flown upstairs.
Upstairs.
Oh my God! A feather!
Gee, I was wondering why Mom sent out for white wine.
What do you mean you thought it was a chicken? When was the last time you heard a chicken do a Marlon Brando impression? Well, I got some good news and got some bad news. Good news is Tweety knew over 150 words.
What's the bad news, Dad?
Bad news is that none of them were, please don't eat me.